In this video, you'll learn how to reset your course progress on Udemy. By following these steps, you will be able to clear your completion marks and start the course anew. Begin by logging into your Udemy account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Learning dashboard, which displays all the courses you are enrolled in. Locate the course for which you wish to reset the progress and click on the course title. This action will open the course player and its associated curriculum. Next, within the course player, look for the course options or settings menu. This menu may vary depending on the course, but it typically appears as a gear icon or a drop-down menu. If the course permits resetting the lecture completion status, you should see an option labeled Reset Progress or something similar. Click on this option to proceed with clearing your... After selecting the Reset Progress option, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is an important step as it ensures that you really want to reset your progress. Review the prompt carefully and confirm your choice. Once you do this, the system will process your request. Once the reset is confirmed, all course lectures will now show as incomplete. This change allows you to start the course from the beginning, giving you a fresh start. It is advisable to check that all progress has been cleared before you begin retaking the course. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tune-in.